Hi guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent about my videos and also planning a little bit more. So I am gonna try to do a little bit of an intro now and see how that works. I hope I can keep it up. Sometimes it's hard just because I don't have enough time to edit, so by the time I release the vlog, I really don't have an opportunity to check in with you guys. But hi, happy Thursday. Today's Thursday, July 28th, and I'm now excuse me, I'm now working on my June studio vlog, and there might be two as well because I don't like releasing like an hour studio vlog. I don't think it makes sense for my channel size, and I think you guys prefer like 20-minute long videos maximum. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do two studio vlogs as well. But anyways, July has been really good so far. We've had a good steady few weeks of summer in Seattle, which is always great. We don't always have the best weather. But yeah, another month has come to an end, and I just want to show you my summer collection. Again, I didn't have time to kind of put this video out there before the shop update, which was July 20th, but I'm showing you that now. I hope you like the goodies that I released, and check the links down below. You can also take your time and check out my Instagram at fullbloomandco, and like and subscribe to my channel if you feel so inclined to. I've been getting a steady flow of followers lately, and it feels great. It feels like my work editing the videos and putting it out there, putting myself out there, is paying back. So thank you so much, and I hope you stay around. Let's see how this plays out. Thank you. Bye bye.
Trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember a thing we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't wanna be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated. I know what you know, but you never say it. One of these days gotta face the truth. I'm not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you. Lying in bed, I'm never facing you, and I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I could list the problems for a million years, but I don't wanna spend another minute with you here. I think you've probably had enough. I'll go ahead and be the one who pray to God yourself. 'Cause lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. No matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. Lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember everything we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you. Up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most. And I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't wanna be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated. I know what you know, but you never say it. One of these days, gotta face the truth. Not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you. Lying in bed, I'm never facing you. And I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I could list the problems for a million years, but I don't wanna spend another minute with you here. I think you've probably had enough. I'll go ahead and be the one who pray to God's up. 'Cause lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. No matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. Lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember everything we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you. Up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most. And I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't wanna be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated. I know what you know, but you never say it. One of these days, gotta face the truth. Not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you. Lying in bed, I'm never facing you. And I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I could list the problems for a million years, but I don't wanna spend another minute with you here. I think you've probably had enough. I'll go ahead and be the one who pray to God's up. 'Cause lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. No matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Here in this clip, I started working on my listings for the upcoming shop update that I did back on July 20th. And I was also working hard on adding all my Christmas products to Faire. I don't think I've ever shared that I'm on Faire wholesale over here. It was something I did before having baby number 2, and I honestly did a really bad job at sharing with the world. I do have a highlight on my Instagram that I worked really hard to put together, but other than that, I'm not shouting on top of my lungs that I do wholesale. But if you're watching this and you have a brick and mortar and you'd like to carry our products, you can head to the links down below and check out my website where I have a page for wholesalers. And yeah, so I was working on my page to add the summer things. I'm sorry, not summer, Christmas. And I was also working on adding the summer shop update to my website. So it was a bit hectic in my head just because I was working in such different things at the same time, but they were both a priority at the same time back in July. I'm so confused. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And a couple of days later, it was really gloomy and I was feeling a little bit down, so I decided to just cozy up, turn on my lamp, have a cup of coffee upstairs in the studio and just work away on packaging my notepads. And this is what I was doing here. I was packing my Frog and Lemons notepads. It's funny that I'm talking about being cozy upstairs because it's currently, we have a thunderstorm going on, which is quite rare in Seattle, but this time of the year, I guess temperatures are changing and everything, and I'm also again cozying up on the studio as I'm editing these vlogs, so that's quite nice. So this is the third time I do sticky notes, and honestly I can't quite say, like I can't point out which product I like designing the most, but sticky notes is way up there. I decided to not do any for fall just because I didn't feel like I had a great design that I came up with on time. So I didn't want to force things, but I did do a cute one for Christmas, which I'm so excited about. And yes, I'm talking again about Christmas. I'm super proud of myself because this year was the first time that I was able to work on my Christmas products in July, which is quite an achievement for me. But anyways, speaking of designing products, I am just coming out of a full week without a phone. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know like all the ramblings I had over there. It was a ride. It was a wild ride. I thought it was gonna be great and I would love taking a social media break, which I did in the beginning, but it wasn't a smooth ride. Especially because even though I was able to design a lot of products and I was feeling really inspired and spending a lot of time drawing, I just felt like I was missing out. I really had FOMO, and on Monday, so 2 days ago, today's Wednesday, August 11th? August 10th, I'm sorry. But on Monday, August 8th, I was feeling a little bummed because I felt like I was missing a lot of emails, like important commission emails and things like that, just because I didn't have my notifications on my phone. Or better yet, actually, I have my notifications off for emails and Instagram, just so I have a boundary. But I was like, I'm pretty good at checking, at opening the app, opening Gmail and checking my email at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day to make sure I have responded to everything on time. But because I didn't have my phone, I wasn't on the computer all day, so oh my gosh, it felt kind of awful, to be honest. But I'm doing better today and my phone is supposed to show up on my doorstep today. I feel kind of terrible that I'm rambling about this, and honestly it's such a first world problem. I know, I'm sorry. I shouldn't really be complaining about my phone these days, but yeah. Here I'm cleaning up my studio and I'm doing this after painting on all of my sketchbooks. I want to make up a video showing you all my different sketchbooks, just because I feel like it's quite the process. But yeah, I'm just quietly tidying up before I can resume working. I believe this was after the shop update, because I was feeling a little drained. I always feel like this after a shop update. So I needed a refresh of my space, and that's what I decided to do on this day. Okay, I just realized that I have some little footage from my new stickers that have arrived. These were the ones that the manufacturer made a mistake on, so keep your eyes peeled for a reveal on that. They will launch on September. I'll see you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like this video for more. Bye bye!